Looking back when we got together, and in our hearts we were staying forever. So in love, boy, we were so in love. Jealous ones only wanted to broke up. When you looked in my eyes, I should've spoke up and held you near. But now I'm alone and here it comes again. I remember every word that you said. It all just keeps spinning and running in my head. But it don't matter what I try to do, I keep on forgetting to forget about you. And I don't wanna think about your baby so much. All the things we did and all the way that we touched. Just when I think about someone new, keep on forgetting to forget about you. Forget about you, forget about me. Turn around, keep forgetting to forget about you. Forget about me, hey you. Now I'd be crazy to think that we were perfect. Yeah, sometimes I wondered if it was worth it, but now I see how good you were for me. And every time I drive by your apartment, I get this overwhelming urge to walk in and see your face, and to be in that place.